Hello, welcome back to part 4. So I'm going through my grandma's recipe box. It's metal, army green, and she was in the army. She was in the Women's Army Corps. So this is Grandma Marge's recipe box. I don't know if she had more. She may have had more, and my aunts might have them. But this is the one that I got from my mama. So let's continue. There's a lot of dessert, only a few savory dishes. So I'm thinking there's another one, unless she just didn't have a recipe box for savory dishes because, they didn't eat out. They didn't go to restaurants. There really wasn't fast food. So it's just stuff you grew up cooking from the time you were little, and you just knew it. You didn't necessarily write down the recipes of, the food you ate every day. So I'm hoping there are recipes. Hope somebody has them, because there are just some things that are just like grandma's. Like grandma's fried beef ribs, her chicken and dumplings, her pork chops, her fried chicken. And those are so intimidating to me. They were so good. This is a cookie recipe. Katie Birch's cookie recipe. So that's a family recipe. Neat. This paper, so old. Katie Birch's cookie recipe. So I'm gonna have to frame some of this stuff and maybe give it as gifts to family members. Oh, that'd be so cool. All right, what do we got here? Yeast, warm water, salt, spry, which I think is a shortening. Hot water, scalded milk, eggs, flour, raisins. This is a coffee cake from Edith Hilton. Edith Hilton. Very cool. And so also these, my grandmother lived as an adult. Well, most of her life, she lived in Miami, Florida. Miami, Florida, and then central state of the state, Ocala. But she, yeah. So, here's another publication. Ooh, is it ripping? No, okay. Let me see if I can find a date. Please. Oh, this is around Thanksgiving time, because new ideas for an old-time Thanksgiving. November 5th, 1944. They were looking for new ideas for an old-time Thanksgiving. How cute. This is the American Weekly newspaper. Chicken croquettes, Mexican style. Let's see. Butter, flour, salt, chili powder, milk, chicken, parsley, eggs. Let's see. Dice the chicken. Shape. I don't know. See, I'm not used to croquettes that's diced. More of like a ground. But who knows? Let's see. How cool. Patterns of the week. Cute. Look at that. What else? There's a face powder. Park and Tilford face powder. Let's see. You can look your loveliest with Park and Tilford face powders, because they are the world's only color-keyed face powders. See the Park and Tilford shade selector at cosmetic counters. Discover the very shades that flatter your complexion. Be more glamorous today. $1, 50 cents, 25 cents, and 10 cent trial size. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. Chicken of the sea. So cool. So zucchini souffle and halibut with mushrooms. Maybe. That's so cool. I love that. I might have to frame that and put that up as a fall decoration in my kitchen. I might have to go a different direction with decorating my kitchen after finding Grandma's recipe box and all the goodies inside. Sauce first, layer of noodles, cheese, sauce, noodles, sauce, cheese. This sounds like a lasagna. Lasagna. Serves 10. That's going in the savory. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let me see if they use ricotta or like cottage cheese. Oil, ground beef, onions, garlic, tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, basil, oregano, black pepper, bay leaves, mozzarella cheese, cottage cheese. I guess ricotta wasn't really available, or maybe if it was available, you didn't use it unless you knew about it and you're Italian. I don't know. But I'll be grabbing the ricotta at the store. Sauté lobster. Ooh, this is lobster. Yep. I wonder who wrote this. Because, well, Grandma could have written this because it's print. And I mainly saw her write in cursive. This could have been her print. My aunts and my mom would know. That is lobster, so that's going in the savory. Yum yums. I hope this is exciting too, because it's exciting to me. Corn beef ring. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe it's good. I'll put it in the savory pile. Corn beef ring. I wish there were dates. All right. This is kind of like manila paper. I don't know if you grew up like in school using manila paper. That's what this feels like. Cornstarch or flour, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard prepared, vinegar, water, chunk of butter. Oh, Mom's homemade mayonnaise. Ooh, this is good. Very good. Mom's homemade mayonnaise, and this is Grandma's writing, so this must have been her mom's recipe. So this is going in the extra special pile. All right, here is a publication. Do we have a date? Baked salmon roll. Oh, I don't know. 1 cup of salmon or any cooked fish, cup of grated raw carrots, minced onion, salt, pepper, single crust recipe Crisco pastry. Oh. Maybe we could try it. I don't know. I guess. Garlic, onion, I think it'll be fine. Now it's a snap to keep my kitchen linoleum clean longer. Wilbert's No Rub Floor Wax. Very interesting. So look at this. This is an advertisement, I believe, for cigarettes. And the line is, a cold had you way off key. So it shows a singer. And here it says, till someone drummed you. So I don't I don't know what the rest of it says, but assuming that cigarettes are going to help your singing voice. No. Anyways, okay. So what was this for? Was there a recipe in here? Oh, the I'm going to put it in the savory pile. I don't know if that will be tried. It sounds like it could be okay. Just not typical. Oh, okay. So this is a clues to a crossword puzzle. Oh, allergies, dust. This is about steak. Meatballs. This is meatballs. Okay, I'll put that in the savory pile. It's a little bit odd, but it's about meatballs. Bean soup, good. Okay, this is the bean soup recipe. That's a savory. Okay, we got a little stack of savory here. MacArthur, Jersey Farm Dairy. I think that's what it is. Oh, gosh. No, because that cow is like Daisy. I don't know. But MacArthur, Fort Lauderdale, and Hollywood. So where I grew up, it was very close to the Hollywood location. But this is their Jersey Farm Dairy Inc. Oh, how cool. 10-9. I don't know 10-9 of what? Route number 35 or route number 39. I don't know. Wow. Homogenized milk and multivita milk. Okay. That's so cool. Look at that ticket. And all the different things that you could order from the dairy. I don't know if it's too blurry when I hold it that close. So that's cool. It's one of Grandma's orders. Oh gosh, what is this? Set, stop. True, first. Cooking hours, second. Set, automatic. Oh, I don't know. TH. Set. Something to cooking temperature. Put food in oven. I guess it's the order of something. Set, stop. Set, stop time first. So this must be directions to like an oven. Maybe she got a new oven. That's cool. Here is something that came on the Spry can. Coconut custard pie. She loved her pies. Spry pie shell, pan-fried fish. Very cool. All right, here is time is up. I'll show you this. And then I'll open it on the next one. So I'll see you in a few.